In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a conversation in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or looking to streamline your workspace, managing conversations effectively is crucial. Slack is a powerful tool for team communication, and understanding how to move conversations can keep your workspace organized and enhance productivity for everyone. Let's dive right into it. First, it's important to understand why you might want to move a conversation. Sometimes, discussions that start in one direct message or channel end up evolving into more relevant topics, better suited for another channel. Moving conversations help maintain focus and clear communication, and it ensures that the necessary participants are involved, and that important information doesn't get lost in the shuffle. Now, let's get into the practical steps of doing it. Moving conversations can't be done directly as in some other platforms, because Slack doesn't have a direct move conversation feature. However, there are ways to manage this. If you're starting this on your desktop, open up the conversation in Slack that you want to transition into a new channel or direct message. It's often helpful to copy messages or portions you think are essential for context. Use your cursor to highlight the text, then use Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac to copy the chosen content. This way, you won't lose track of the main points during your discussion shift. Once you have the necessary information, you'll want to decide on a new home for this conversation. Think about which channel is most relevant to the topic you've been discussing or the team that would benefit most from the information. If needed, create a new channel by clicking on the plus sign next to channels and give it an appropriate name that reflects the subject matter of the conversation. Afterward, enter the channel by clicking on its name, or if it's a direct message, initiate a message with the desired participants. Now, it's time to bring that conversation over. Begin by pasting your copied content into the message box, again using Ctrl+V for Windows or CMD+V for Mac to paste. Give some context for those joining or reading anew so they understand what's being addressed. After pasting, you can send the message, which effectively transfers the conversation to this new setting. Remember to follow up. Moving a conversation is often just the beginning. Encourage feedback and contributions from team members to ensure everyone is on the same page, and the objective of the communication remains clear. Slack continually develops, adding features and improvements, so staying updated on its functionality is beneficial. Understanding how to adapt can enhance not only your experience but also that of your entire team. Happy slacking, and may your conversations always find the right home.